Welcome you all. In this video, we discussing the continuation part of different type of operating system. In this earlier video, I am representing the meaning of operating system. You all commonly know very well. Operating system manages all the components in of a computer, especially computer hardware, user of a computer. It acts an interface between them. From that, we can see the different type of operating system, batch operating system, multi-programming operating system. In this video, we discussing about multitasking and up-to-date different type of operating system. Multitasking system do multitasking. The name itself we know that. Multitasking OS, a single user can execute multiple program at the same time. So multitasking is the system capability to work one more than one job or process. We can execute more than one process at a time. At the same time, it means that whenever the job needs to perform input-output operation, the CPU can be used for execution some other job or process that is also residing in the system and is ready to use the CPU. The term multi-programming is used for multi-user system. That is the system that are simultaneously used by many users such as mainframe and server class system. The term multitasking is used for single user system. That is system that are used by only one user at a time such as personal computer or notebooks. So we may confuse the term multi-user and multitasking. So I give that illustration. Multitasking system or method of processing multiple tasks concurrently in a single user system. That was we already explained. In a single user system, we performing a multiple task. For example, a user running separate program in 4 different windows. So simultaneously I can access PowerPoint, Word document or Paint like that. There are 2 types of multitasking: corporate multitasking, primitive multitasking. Corporate multitasking, a program occurs the CPU for the required amount of time. A program shares the CPU with any other program that is executing simultaneously. On primitive multitasking, the OS allocates particular time to a program. The CPU is preempted if a higher priority job arrives in a system. So only a higher priority job arrives, it's preempted. So multi-programming and multitasking have put on a comparison. In multi-programming, it is used for multi-user system that the system are used by many users at the same time. In multitasking, it is used for single user system, the system that are used only by one user at the same time. It refers concurrent execution of multiple jobs. It refers concurrent execution of multiple jobs of same user. It is a different user, it's the same user. Multiprocessing, parallel or tightly coupled. On another hand, we discussed most systems to date are a single process system. That is they have only one main CPU. However, multi-process system, also known as parallel system or tightly coupled system, are growing important. Such a system have more than one process in close communication, sharing computer bus, the clock, and sometimes memory and peripheral devices. So from that way of sharing helps in the multi-process system for this advantage. One is the increased throughput. By increasing the number of processes, we hope more work done in less time. Economy of scale. We can sharing what I say in earlier. So peripheral devices, memory. We can use a single component for a different system. So here we save that money, that is economy of scale, and then increase the reliability. That is what if 10 systems are combined and work together, if one get failure, then other taken that compensation. So the remaining system, rest of the systems are work and compensated. That is called graceful degradation or fault tolerance. Multiprocessing system have 2 types. One is symmetric multiprocessing and asymmetric multiprocessing. Symmetric multiprocessing, identical copy of OS, copies communication with one another model. Is simple multiprocessing, the model exists between the process. Each process currently run a copy of the operating system. In asymmetric multiprocessing, it assigned a specific task. So the rest of the things I'm detailedly noted here. The diagram simply describe that symmetric multiprocessing have a CPU1, CPU2, it all together shared the memory, and it have work for P1, P2 or P3 commonly together. So symmetry. Here is no shared memory. I think this diagram will clearly differentiate these information. I am additionally providing the related informations and the comparison of symmetric and asymmetric multiprocessing. So this is to help you to know better about multi-programming and multiprocessing. That was we already discussed in our previous video. So the next we focus on real-time operating system, simply called as RTOS. Is an operating system intended to serve real-time application process. So real-time applications process, real-time operating system are generally special purpose and designed to run embedded or special system. They used often operate in environmental. There are significant constraints on hardware design, often narrow tasks that need to done with the great accuracy and speed. Let them go to the distributed or loosely coupled system. Distributed system is one of the important type of operating system in multi-programming used by distributed system to serve multiple real-time applications. So it all have its own advantages and disadvantages. So the name listed one after another in the PPT. You can go through that, you get a better understanding regarding its advantages. So I am focusing on that. We are using on here and there as an embedded system in a current technology. So in an embedded system, in the sense, embedded means hidden inside. So one cannot see it. And system in the sense multiple component interfaced together for a common purpose. Why I am saying that we using that terminology here to describe distributed as well as real-time OS, especially in RTOS. RTOS is used in an embedded system. Nowadays we are using all the components around an embedded system. The small systems are called embedded system. The final thing is on time sharing operating system. So an user is allocated into the CPU. We know that we discussing several type of operating system. One is multi-user on one hand and multiple CPUs on another hand. Here we using time sharing system. That is a user computer using user have an active different user there like in the diagram. They all have allotted a particular time limit. The user using or utilizing the system in particular time limit. That is called the time share system, it shortly says. For example, in real time online train booking or online any booking process, you taken that the time sharing system will work. As an example, suppose I am booking a ticket in IRTC or movie, it has some predefined time. You can say as 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depends upon the application. Within the allotted time, I need to book a ticket or do my targeted work. Otherwise, automatically the allotted seats go to the another user. The system not react like that. It always have on some drawback, so that the time sharing systems are useful at the type of places. Handheld system is on a personal digital PDA. You can easily see as on a mobile phone. So a smartphone combine a mobile phone and a handheld computer in a single device. Example of smartphone. The years have included. We can say that Apple, Samsung Galaxy, Microsoft, Nokia, Linux, Sony Ericsson. These are all example of handheld systems. So up to that, from batch operating system to handheld system, every system particularly designed for to do certain type of targeted work. From that, whatever the system, whatever its functionality, whatever it work, the main core is operating system. The operating system plays its role, depends upon the application, depends upon the environment. So this video, I think it help you to know about basic information regarding different type of operating system. Thanks for an opportunity. Thank you.